So Euro GBP for the day. So we would want to know where this price will be moving. So before we get started, if you've not subscribed, make sure you do so. Click on that subscribe button, like and share. So when you take a look at this Euro GBP, you know that this is clearly a bearish move. And I've also included this 10-period moving average, which will guide us, right? Which will guide our trade. And we all know the rules of trading this moving average. Once the price is above the moving average, then we have to look for a way to go long, right? But if it is below it, we have to sell. So clearly we can see that this price is below our 10-period moving average. So we should look for a way to sell. Now take a look at this trend on this Euro GBP. We can take a look at this lower lows, right? We would consider this as a lower highs or kind of like a pullback. A new lows. Notice this new lows actually broke this previous lows, right? Here comes the pullback. Notice again this new lows again that was made here actually broke this previous lows, right? The price actually broke this previous lows, right? Now here comes the correction, which was kind of like huge. So we are now having a new lows, which will be expecting this lows to actually break this lows. So this is the previous lows, right? So we'll be expecting this new lows that will be made to actually break this lows. So that is to tell you that throughout this week, right, we should be expecting a bearish move on our euro to GBP. So we should be expecting to sell our euro against our GBP. Now, before we actually go that, right, before we actually break this lows, we want to take out this level, right? Before we actually break below this lows, right, let us try and see if we can hit this level, right, on our euro GBP, because we saw price once came to this level and reacts. We saw price came to this level and react. So we would definitely be waiting for price to actually come to this same level again before it reacts by giving us that bullish move, right? So before that, since we have not gotten to this level, that is to tell you that we will be getting to this level because we've not gotten to it. Soon or later we get to this level. That is to tell you that Euro GBP we are to actually sell. So if you want to take a trade on this Euro GBP, you should consider or look for a way to actually short this trade. You should actually look for a way to actually sell this Euro GBP. I mean, that is the best thing, right? We are to actually sell or short this Euro GBP. So we want to take out this loss on Euro GBP. So now let's what this 4-hour time frame says. To actually place this trade, right, we want to go to the 4-hour time frame and take a look at this 4-hour time frame is on a bearish move, it's on a downward trend. Assuming this 4-hour time frame was bullish, was on an uptrend move, I would have advised you to stay out of this trade. I would have said do not place this trade. But since it is above, it is on a bearish move and it is below our 10-period moving average, then definitely you can now sell your Euro GBP to be able to take out these lows that we are all expecting. At least that should be able to give us 80 pips, 80 to 90 pips by the way. So Euro GBP, consider to short the price.